Welcome to Sarvottam, Agastya Center of Excellence. In our world class, state of the art analytical laboratory designed in 20,000 square feet of area, we don't just test products, we verify the safety and efficacy of every formulation. We offer complete stability testing from study design, storage, analytical testing, and issuance of shelf life memo. We provide complete range of all ICH zone storage conditions in numerous climatic walking chambers with total storage capacity of 1.8 lakh liter managed by 21 CFR, Part 11 compliant software and Sympathy software for ASAP program. Chambers are 24/7 monitored. Our analytical laboratory designed with proper entry and exit procedures and gowning practices. Samples will be received from the sample pass box and assigned with a unique identification. Each sample is secured in a dedicated, segregated rack within an access controlled room, ensuring zero cross contamination and total physical integrity. Facilitated chemical and solvent storage rooms are placed as per material safety data and compatibility. Our special equipment room decodes the physical and sensory architecture of every formulation through high precision rheometer, refractometer, dynamic vapor sorption, density meter, texture analyzer, and tabletop microscope. Advanced thermo-ion chromatography provides high intensity detection of anions, cations, and organic acids, expanding our reach into trace ionic analysis for oral care products. Our special equipment room houses advanced atomic absorption spectrophotometer for mineral and trace elemental analysis. Our chromatography capability includes advanced ARC HPLC, HPLC and UPLC from Waters and Agilent. We deliver high resolution separations for various category of formulations for its assay and impurity testing with a comprehensive array of detectors including PDA, UV, fluorescence, RI, and ELSD. Chromatography is managed through the industry leading Empower network. We support USP Type 1, 2, and Type 3 dissolutions. We maintain every reference and working standard as per required storage conditions and traceability. We have a wide range of capacities of balances from micro balances to top load balance. Gas chromatography includes FID and headspace for assay and residual solvent analysis with dedicated sample preparation room to avoid contamination. In our wet lab, we carry various chemical, gravimetric extractions, titrations, and sample preparations by fume hoods, hot air ovens, muffle furnace, and other supporting equipment. Ion meters, conductive meter, and disintegration tester supports our analytical requirements. Our MilliQ water system produces high quality water for the chromatography and other analytical requirement. Our cleaned glassware is organized in a dedicated dust-free cabinets by type and volumes. And dedicated glassware cleaning area is equipped with high-performance Mealy automated washing machines. Our wet lab is equipped with various instruments like UV, VIS spectrophotometer, pH meters, FTIR, Carl Fisher titration, and auto titrator. Hardness tester, viscose meters, and other equipment, we ensure precision in each sample testing. Our ASD office area consists dedicated review stations are powered by industry-leading Empower software, ensuring every integration and audit trial is reviewed. The data is reviewed, compiled, and approved by quality, followed by archival. At Sarvottam, our analytical department unites advanced technology and expert professionals to deliver precise, reliable, and high-quality analysis. Thank you.